So this is a short video in which we will know that how and when the initiation, the Shakti path from the universe, from the divine trinity, which is the Manu Mana era, is done. So when do we receive this initiation of primal life force consciousness, which is the Manu, the Ira, the Mana, in the form of universal life force current in our body? So let's see through this short video, and in coming videos we will know this process in detail. So everything we see alive in our 3D hologram in our universe is has been created from this three primal life force consciousness, the three primal life force current, which is called as the divine trinity, the Manu, the Mana, the Ira. They are continuously flashing off and off, flashing on and off. And now we know that how do we receive this initiation. They are not being poured on us like this, like we take a bath in a bathing and these currents are pouring from the upwards towards on us. So they do not pour on us like this. Instead, these are the primal life force current which are continuously flashing off and on, flashes off and on. Okay, and they are the scalar wave frequency, and once our body is ready to receive, we are then going to receive this initiation Shakti part from the universe, and we receive the primal force of consciousness, which is the Manu, the Mana, the Ira, which gives the Shakti part or the initiation, which initiates us the Kundalini current, or which activates or which helps in the awakening of the Kundalini currents which present in all of us. So these currents are present continuously for all of us, and it depends upon each of us. Then once we are ready to receive the currents, once we ready to receive this initiation, when we flashes off and on that particular vibration or the scalar frequency, then we receive the initiation from the primal life force current. So they are present continuously every time and every second around us.